How to apply for a state ID. Applying for a state ID in the United States is a straightforward process and is useful if you don't have a driver's license but still need official government identification. A state ID allows you to travel domestically, open bank accounts, verify your identity, and access many public services. First, make sure you are eligible. You must usually be a resident of the state where you are applying and meet the minimum age requirement. Most states allow anyone age 16 or older to apply, but rules can vary slightly. Next, gather your required documents. You typically need proof of identity, proof of social security number, and proof of state residency. For identity, a birth certificate or passport is commonly accepted. For social security, you can use your social security card or a tax document. For residency, utility bills, lease agreements, or bank statements with your name and address usually work. After preparing your documents, visit your local DMV or state licensing office. Some states allow appointments online, which can save you time. At the office, you will submit your paperwork, fill out an application form, and have your photo taken. In some cases, you may also provide fingerprints or a signature. Then, pay the required fee. The cost is usually between $10 and $40, depending on the state and how long the ID will be valid. Payments are often accepted by cash, card, or check. Once everything is completed, you may receive a temporary paper ID immediately. Your official state ID card will be mailed to your address within a few weeks. Keeping your documents organized and checking your state's DMV website beforehand can make the process faster and easier. Thanks for watching.